Guys, welcome back to Mumbai Katta channel. This is me, your holistic mentor Archana Tavre, and welcome back again. This is a instant urgent messages for the people who are demanding me for a third party drama, and those people are in separation, no contact zone. Know that I just got a spirit messages randomly inside my afternoon power nap, and I just woke up and start shuffling and asking God what is happening in collecting divine masculine and divine feminine's life. So bottom of the deck is the death, which is a transformation, which is a positive change, which is a brutal truth awakening, which is currently happening in the divine masculine's life. So this is your divine masculine or divine feminine, whoever, but I'm strongly sensing, give me one moment guys, I'm strongly sensing this is your divine masculine, who is a wealthy person, okay, who is a stable, highly matured, okay, popular figure into the social media can be, or if it is not, then he's a locally popular for his work. And right now inside his life, okay, no offense, I'm not laughing, but this is a big time shaking moments happening in his life, and this is a hidden truth. This is a hidden from divine feminine, guys. This, okay, he's following his intuition. The entire tower, the building, the foundation in his life has been crumbled down brutally by universe, because he was now listening his intuition, now listening his divine guidance. Now this is a high priestess card, a Pisces. This person can be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in a sun, moon rising on Venus, and strongly Pisces and Cancer. Okay, Scorpio card. Okay, water and earth elements are strongly coming up. Okay, so I asked divine, like, what is happening, why he is not giving commitment, why he is not talking to my divine feminine, what he is decepting, what he is showing deception, because he is going through the divorce. Okay, now judgment is in his favor. Okay, he's strongly going through a lot of changes in his life. So divine feminine, don't chase him, give him a time for a healing. Okay, because the justice, my god, is, and judgment is just both strong card for divorce situation. He has filed a divorce already, it is going, or something kind of a situation that money matters also. Okay, so now tower movement is definitely showing on both of this card. Yeah, the things are shifting in his life. Okay, he's listening his divine guidance. Okay, this is hidden from you. Okay, he's fighting for you guys, my divine feminine. He's leaving back all the the past, his whatever the ex karmic toxic narcissistic person. He's energetically also leaving the situation behind, which is very good. He's defending for you in his family, because 10 of Pentacle family card, somebody around him in his family. Okay, money situation is highly. This Queen of Pentacle is his karmic partner. This is clearly, I did not pulled out this card as automatically fallen out. Okay, please watch this reading, this is for you if you meant to watch this reading. Okay, many people, many divine masculine ask me what is happening in their divine counterpart. This is what happening, tower movement back to back. This person is defending themselves for the new beginning they want with their Queen of Cups, which is here. This I am getting shivering right now, guys. Please forgive me for the background and for the background this because I was sleeping on my chatai, because I always sleep on the ground due to back pain issues. Yeah, and excuse me for the background noise. Yeah, so yeah, this is like I asked divine what is happening in his or her life. This is what happening. Okay, he left his previous marriage or a long-term commitment, or a something kind of a commitment or a relationship. He was there inside his long-term relationship. Okay, that person left behind by your divine counterpart. This is your divine counterpart, male female doesn't matter, energies matters a lot. Okay, this is a gender, no, this is not a gender specific, but I'm picking up a lot of divine masculines collectively. Okay, the karmic is crying because the karmic did not getting any money. okay, or there is a heavy money associated in the court cases. That karmic, this lady is highly mean, narcissistic, selfish. This person is, trying to do black magic on your divine counterpart for spell work, this money work. She wants, but your divine counterpart knows that she doesn't, deserve this money, wealth, abundance. So he is holding back. That's a very good sign. That's a very good sign. He has aligned by the universe. Okay, he's defending. Okay, this is a very good sign. The both situation are stuck between you because he is dealing with his karmic. Okay, he is absolutely heartbroken in the recent past within 3 year span. This is a worst ending, but spirit has to show him. Yeah, this is a recent past. He thought this karmic person, he thought that he, his true twin flame or past life soulmate, but no, he was juggling because of this person, because of this Queen of Pentacles, okay, who was a selfish. Okay, this is a karmic soulmate who hurt your divine masculine very brutally. That's the reason your divine masculine or a divine feminine, take what resonated, in the hermit mode right now. Okay, in this hanged man right now. They need time for healing and to patch up this everything. Okay, to end this relationship. He or she has ended this relationship brutally in the recent past. I'm sensing 6 months span, 2-3 year span. Okay, not larger than that. This is like 2 to 3 year span. Okay, and the court situation has been done, and your divine masculine put the judgment on that gold digger. Okay, this is your divine masculine in a king of swords, and his past, which is a queen of swords. She's demanding money from your divine masculine because he's a wealthy person, he's a stable person, he's an entrepreneur, he's a shop owner, or he's running some kind of, definitely, a huge legacy. He's building themselves. Okay, I'm very proud of my divine masculine and the collective divine masculine gang, because they are working, they are putting their ass literally day and night, because I'm picking up all the strong energies. They are putting their ass into day and night, working on their legacy, and they will not easily let go their legacy to this bastard, this gold digger. Okay, so this was the past situation. Your divine masculine absolutely needs a tired, energetically drained, and I heard in my, excuse me, hiccups coming up. This is a confirmation, highly confirmation from my spirit. Okay, from my angels. Your divine masculine or my collective divine masculines in this wounded warrior situation, they are tired of these battles. They are missing you. I yesterday only heard in my, my God, in my twin flame meditation from online. Okay, I miss you badly. I literally heard my name, Archana, I miss you badly. Similarly, your divine masculine also craving for your love, your physical attention. He's sexually frustrated. This Aries, Leo, Sagittarius wants. I cried in the afternoon today. Every day in the morning I cried, and I'm into tears right now, because I'm reading these energies, so that I'm picking up of his energies. This is me also. Okay, your divine feminine also crying a lot for you. Both guys are reciprocating the energies in the spiritual world. Yeah, yes, so divine feminine, do not lose the hope, do not chase him, leave him up to his, he will come to you for sure in next 11 days. I'm sensing 9 to 11 days, or a 9, max to max 9 weeks, or a max to max 9 days. I'm sensing 9 days, I don't know why, or a 9 weeks. Okay, So send gratitude in the universe, send prayers for your divine masculine, because he's absolutely tired. He's a wounded warrior. He has done emotional battles a lot because of this bastard, because of this bastard from his past. This lady who is cheating, manipulating him, sleeping around other women, other men. Okay, and she's demands only money, cheating upon your divine masculine. Yeah, so this all spread was your divine masculine's current situation. Okay, and the recent past situation. He's putting death in the back of the deck is the strongest card. He's transforming right now. He wants new beginning only with you, because he understood now that you are this, like कार्ड ऐसे ही पड़े हैं, गिर चुके थे. Literally my cards all are fallen out in the separate position, so that I understood who are you, divine feminine. You are this in the 9 of Pentacles energy, very absolutely beautiful. Okay, I wanted to shuffle more, but I already sensed Empress card over this Emperor clarification. This is your divine masculine, highly wise person. Okay, somewhat a childish energies, but no, he is wise. He know that what he is doing is absolutely right. He wanted to show you his cup of love. He will ask you on a date for sure. He will confess his feeling for sure, because he is exhausted. He is in 9 of Wands energy right now. Okay, and the 6 of Sword card, absolutely truth, that he is whatever his mother, I sense his mother only with him, nobody else. He finds his peace with his mother only. Okay, and I definitely sense that he somehow trying to convince his mother about you. He shared your connection with her, his mother. And whatever the swords, whatever the left energies, money, pentacles, he is traveling towards you, my divine feminine. This is you, my divine feminine. This is fucking truth. My all energy standing here, my divine feminine. You are heading towards the unexpected money throughout your career. This is your career, 3 of Pentacles. Okay, you are going to celebrate a little good success in your career or on your social media. Okay, people wants to celebrate with you. People wants to cheer you up. Okay, people wants to be a part of your cake. They want to snatch your cake. Okay, so next reading, please wait. Okay, I'm sensing your divine masculine, this Emperor, wants to talk to you. I'm sensing 8 to 10 days, 11 days, he will communicate and bombarding of the messages. He will open up his heart, because universe is sitting on his ass. Okay, whatever the court case will come next 3 to 6 months, I'm sensing it. If it is a divorce situation, I'm sensing it next 6 months, 3 months will patch up, or max to max 8 months. But he will confess that whatever the court situation is going on, or whatever the stuck situation, he will tell you the truth. Okay, don't worry. He wants to celebrate with you his success, his legacy only with you. He wants to work and build a legacy with you. Definitely you both are manifesting each other subconsciously and consciously. This is number 1, new beginning. This is number 0, new beginning. 0 के बाद 1 आता है, इसके बाद ये कार्ड आया. Yeah, this card has fallen out after this card. So 0, 1. Okay, so and 3. Yeah, so multiplication is happening. Yeah, again see 2, again 2 of Wands. Yeah, new beginning, 0. Okay, 1 magician, 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands. Damn, मैंने क्या बोला था, यूनिवर्सल नंबर. या 3 of Wands, 3 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles, 333 is a significant number. Something happened in this March that your divine masculine has woken up brutally about this unconditional love, and within these 3 days he will confess to you. And if it is not 3, is max to max 3 months. Okay, or max to max 3 weeks, because water energy here, pentacle energy is here, and wands energy here is here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn will be these three major signs in his chart and in your chart. He wants to give you work offer as well as emotional love offer. Okay, because nights are showing me what? Okay, a small hangout together over a cup of coffee or something on a destination near beaches. He wants to give you some kind of a vacation offer. He will pay you. Don't worry, divine feminine, if you are unable to manage. He will shop, he will do shopping for you. He will buy tickets for you. He will make sure you will be happy and satisfied. You will be enjoying because he loves you unconditionally. I'm crying. Claim this energy if you are watching this out. And this card has fallen it out. Okay, so this is ultimate happiness. He wants a child with you. He wants, the legacy should be, his legacy should be forward only with you. These both cards, fucking, I'm speaking the truth. I swear on my mom, I swear on my spirit guides, I swear on my true conditional love. These two cards, okay, but literally like Fevicol ka jod, literally flew out together. This is divine universe, hell, screaming like you both are meant for each other. You both are your vibrational match. Fucking super emotional, sensitive, empathetic, healer, knows, emotionally in tuned with the universe and in tuned with self. You both are knowing each other very well. You both are telepathically communicated strongly. Okay, and this man is waiting to offer you the ultimate happiness. Okay, the ultimate new beginning, the stable offer, the solid love, marriage commitment. And he will communicate with you for sure. He will. Yeah, so whatever the question was on, my social media and people commenting on YT Studio app, okay, I have answered through this video that third party is definitely there, okay, but your person is not entertaining third party. He is not happy. 4 of Cups energy. He is not happy. 5 of Cups again. See, he's looking into the past. Those 3 cups has been done. Now he wanted to offer you this cup, okay. So yes, definitely he's sad over the, and he's, some divine masculines are running negative self-talk. They need to release their ex, and they have to look this, Ace of Cups, which is you, my divine feminine. The cycle is completed. The cycle is very soon going to complete. Yes, see. The 10 of Swords, no more in the limbo situation. He has backstabbed by his karmic, or by her karmic. Take what resonated. Okay, the ex-business partner or ex-lover or long-term any commitment situationship, he has backstabbed by that one person so many times, and he himself took a long cycle to heal himself. This is specifically in 2020. I am sensing a lot of divorces happened in 2020. Okay, this is giving me 2020 energy. Yeah, this is my healing card, and this is you, divine feminine, in between. You are healing energetically to your divine spouse, divine counterpart. Okay, he or she, but specifically 90% I am picking up on divine masculine energy. So take what resonated. There are 4 signs: Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, and what else? Capricorn. Yeah, this could be major fire sign also in his or her chart, or you both are mirroring each other. Yeah, so don't worry. Once you both guys are aligned in the 3D, okay, the cycle has been completed. This is ended. Okay, the healing will come. Yes. Okay, so be very mindful. What are the thoughts you are thinking about him or her? Be positive. Share him or her love, unconditional love, and speak up. Okay, stand up, raise your voice for yourself and this connection, and be positive. Do not think about karmic, his karmic or whatever. They need to flush out from his life, and divine is working. I told you, so many spirit guides are working on this connection to heal. Okay, so please be daily do prayers, manifestation, journaling, writing, imagining, visualizing your divine counterpart in a marriage situation with you. Okay, so that the spell work has been done on him. There is a strong lady doing spell work on your divine masculine to stuck in the this mode, like two situation. Yes, the fucking truth. Your divine masculine is heavy spying energy on you because he loves you unconditionally. Okay, you both are spying, but he is more in a spying energy on you, divine feminine. In each and every single activity, he is worried that you should not walk away from him. But no, my divine masculine, I am conveying you this message that she is not entertaining, because you both are mirroring. If you are entertaining your third party or your work or any other girl, she will also entertain, because energy gets transferred. You both are Nine of Pentacles, this divine feminine, and this is a childish energy coming from your divine masculine. This could be a age difference a lot. Okay, and your divine masculine is watching you, and your divine feminine, you are straight watching him. Yeah, definitely. So this is assurance that both are single, absolutely single, and not settling down with any other girl or guy. Okay, both are waiting on a right opportunity, but I'm sensing that divine masculine will have to speak up, because the sword are up in the air. You don't need to be in the headspace situation. Yeah, whatever the divorce situation or whatever the past situation is happened or is happening right now, you need to speak up to your divine feminine and give her assurity that you will come towards her, or you wanted to give her a stability. Yeah, you wanted to take, because of her help only you are going to succeed, my divine masculine. Let me tell you, energetically, through the divine spirit. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. Yeah, bye bye. 2 to 11 I just saw. So 11 might be very significant because it's a twin flame and higher vibrational match number. 555 I just saw. Okay, in my third eye. 444 I saw in my third eye. Angels are working strongly in this connection. Okay, both are grounded, and you need to be grounded in your own skin so that you can attract more abundance towards each other. Yeah, that's it from my side. Yeah, I'm signing off from this video. Thank you so much for watching me, and if this resonated with you, please comment down below. Thanks, and thanks universe, I claim this reading. Okay, I attract my true divine soulmate. That's it. Yeah, and please like, share and subscribe, and share this link to many people, whoever wants my divine guidance, my healing. Okay, my literally throat chakra has been buzzing a lot, because my divine masculine and your divine masculine also not able to speak up, not able to express his or her emotions. Yeah, he need to work on, or he's working on his heart chakra. He's gathering courage, because he damn fucking know that you, my divine feminine, your Empress card does not show, because you are into masculine avatar. You are into your power. You are fucking the CEO bad bitches. High five. Okay, because we have gone through a lot, and that's the reason every person out there is scared of our energies, and that fucking truth they must need to scare, because we have gathered a lot of courage within ourselves, and we are healing our divine masculine also. Okay, divine masculine is sitting in this childish energy, he's not opening. He needs to understand the fucking emperor. He needs to upgrade his energies to the emperor level to approach us, the divine feminine. Okay, जब तक वो अपना एनर्जी लेवल करेज गेन नहीं करेगा, the divine union will not happen. Okay, but I'm sensing July season, mostly July and August majorly, and whoever the haters are watching you now, you are hitting a bad karma in near future a lot. If you have not stopped black magic on this divine connection. Okay, this divine masculine X, heavily karmic X, is heavily spying on divine feminine right now. Okay, So your divine masculine, few percentage of people over here who divine masculine has not spoken about divine feminine yet in the circle. That's a very good. He's keeping secret to protect his divine feminine, which is very nice. Okay, and the divine feminine's exes are crying, oh hell, to lose you, because their karma is written in the destiny to mess up with you. Okay, and in the future also they are the long time they are going to cry a lot because they are putting black magic. This is my black magic card. Okay, if they have not stopped doing this, unnecessarily snatching somebody else property, somebody else divine feminine, they are gonna hit a lot. Okay, tower moment, they are gonna hit, they are gonna lose their jobs. Nobody wants to work with them. Your haters, your enemies, your exes, your karmic, they are losing jobs, they are losing monies, they are losing incentives, they are losing their home. Okay, their own family member kicking out of the kicking their asses out. Okay, their jobs, partnership, their clients, everybody is kicking them out because of the black magic they have put up. Okay, your exes, your haters are highly unsatisfied with their current work. They are in the limbo situation. That's it for today. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I love you, my DM, my DS. I love you, my DFs, all divine feminine, all divine masculine out there. Know that, I'm praying hard for you. Okay, because I love you unconditionally. Okay, I'm a healer, I'm a mother first. Okay, I'm sending a lot of positive energies and my healings. Yeah, receive it. And thank you so much. I love you. Bye.